Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and this came in the mail today, and I could just hardly wait to see if it's what I think it is. I'm pretty sure it is something I ordered. Oh, I've got this one sealed. I like that when I send stuff out of here, it is taped to the nines. I don't want any excuses for the postal workers to be able to undo it. Yes, it is. This is J Doll UK's fault. Okay, I'm kidding. Her influence, how's that? I bought a baby doll. I bought a silicone baby doll. I bought a tiny one. I saw it on Aliexpress. Okay, that bottle is just stupid. Pacifier doesn't look bad though, does it? But let's look at this baby. And then we'll see what that says. Oh gosh. Oh my God, that is cool. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at him. Oh my God. That really is cute. Okay, let's see what we got here. Velcro. I love these. Actually, I made some of these for my own. Oh, it's her. I made some of these for my own kids when they were little. Yes, I had them in cloth diapers. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Okay, let's see about this. I think Darren's going to have to make one 3D printed that is, you know, more to size of the little doll. Do I want to participate in some of the reborn challenges? Yeah, perhaps I do. Let's see what we got here.
That's enormous also.
That is pretty big. Oh my goodness.
It's like a face mask.
Oh my goodness, but look at this. That is cool. That is very cool. What a cute little thing. What an adorable little thing. I will use this for a pattern. Oh gosh, this is cute. And I thought it didn't have a little face up, but it kind of does. I mean, it's blushed. You can see it even in its private parts. I'm sure you noticed. Well, I'm not going to put this on just right. I'm just going to pull it back together so we can see what else I got. Anyway, it's silicone. And one thing I noticed is it is kind of like Stretch Armstrong, which is weird, but okay. I've been wanting to feel a silicone doll, and now I have. And the hair is, well, let's just call it interesting. It does look rooted. Can you see that? I mean, it honestly looks like some poor little kid's hair. My children, as you could guess, were perfect. Okay, so it's got a little birth certificate. Kind of cute. Reborn nursery tips for every collector. Hair color, cleaning the body, storage. All right, I'll take a look at that later. Let's see what else I got. I do like my little baby doll. I don't have too many baby dolls in my collection. I have the Baby Alives, and I like them, but I don't get them out much. I like my fashion dolls is what I really like. Okay, let's just say it. Blyce. My Blyce. I be loving my Blyce. And I might have more coming. Boy, the prices on Blyce have gone up so much. The reason I have more coming, oh, I love these. This is for my Blythe. Speaking of, you know what? We're not going to spend 10 minutes trying to find the edge of that plastic. Isn't this adorable? I mean, isn't that cute? As if you just went to the pet store and bought a goldfish. I love that. Love, love, love that. This kind of got funny. I need to slow down. Oh, and look what else. Cool, man, cool. Cool, 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 cool. My, I don't think that's a color I ordered. Might be, but I'm gonna have to take a look at that. Isn't that cute? Little fish bowl. Can't see it like the goldfish though. I like those goldfish. I'm gonna have to look at my order because I don't think that's correct. All right, one more. Let's see what we got. I have to say, I like my silicone baby. Oh yeah, and I think she sucks her thumb. Well, maybe not. Maybe there's a trick to it under the care sheet. Okay, she's cute. I like her. I like her a lot. Okay, and a pair of Blythe boots. I like these white ones. They come with a little heart. I'll open them. For those of you that have not seen them before, they are inexpensive. I've used these white. They got a little red heart on them, which I think is cute for Valentine's Day. I have taken marker to these and changed the color. And I have covered them with, actually it was a blue shiny fabric and made ice skates out of them. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.